All right. Now, in the bottom here, you will find some additional settings. So for example, the scale for your view. Now these settings, you would also find it under your properties window here. So for example, we have the view scale 1:100. So when you change this here, you can notice that it automatically changes here as well. And what's very important to be aware of is when you want to make changes in Revit in your properties. So for example, I'll change this to 1:100. You can notice I've changed this here, but it's not changed in our window yet. And when you want to make the changes, all you need to do is just simply move back. As soon as I move back to the work window here, you can notice that it changes automatically to 1:100. So that's very important that when you want to make changes, once you make the change here, you want to apply the change, you need to simply move back to your work window. So that's one option, or the other option is to simply make the changes here, and then you have the apply option on the bottom of your properties window. So that's how you make changes. And what's very important to be aware of is when you make changes and you want to apply the change, simply move back to your work window. Perfect. We'll talk about these options here later as well. For example, the crop view and a whole lot more. And then in the bottom, we have an additional toolbar with some quick access settings. So here, for example, you have the work sets. Now you can access the work sets from here or under collaborate. Then we have design options. So this you can access from here, or under manage, we have design options. And then we have this option here, which is select links, select underlay elements. So you can either enable or disable the options here, or you can enable and disable from here as well. So you can see we have select, and we can always select links, select pinned elements. You'll always find it here under modify, the left under select. All right, so that was an introduction to the Revit UI.